Okay, this is a published video for the plough. Really, I don't know the name of the plough. So far, we want to refurbish this plough. Presently, the plough comes with just 2 discs, which is that one and this disc, and that's their condition. It's quite heavy. Okay, so here's the condition of there's no cover. The bearing are open, so we have a lot of debris and materials in the bearing. Then the clip is made up of I believe this wooden nails. Okay, so and we have only 2 bolts out of 4. Only 2 bolts. Actually, the bolt did not line up. Okay, so it did not line up. So this one is loose. So that's it. We'll refurbish that and see what we get out of it. The second one is totally gone. All we have of the hub is just this. Okay, we'll see if we can get part for this. You can see the inner race of the bearings. 2 inner rays are there, and that's all we have. So we'll see if we can get this back. If we cannot, we'll buy another one. The third one, this one will have the disc. The disc presently measures about 23.5. The other one measured 23. So, and we only have 2 bolts on this with a lot of sprocket washers. That's an ingenious way of making things work when you don't have the right tools. Okay, don't turn over. Okay, the condition of the hub. This must have bent a bit more than normal. We'll see to that and ensure we're on the right angle. We have some weight here. Maybe they had a broken arm and they have to do something about it. Okay, the cover, I can see the points, but no cover on it. Can you see the bearing? Totally gone. And this, I hope we'll be able to get this out. But anyway, we see the best we can get out of these, and see the material of the disc. You can see that. Okay, we have a video on how we refurbish this and put them together once we are doing that. In shape. Seems to be in shape. Well, we may need to just take it out, clean it up, paint. Okay, beam number 2. We have some crack, and the crack is actually deep, very deep crack. Okay, we have to break it up and down, see how we can resolve that. Then number 3, Seems to be fine as well. The guard. And I can believe someone actually did some modification here. Let's see. Okay, aside that, on the main beam itself, you can see a lot of weight. A lot of weight right there. I need attention. Don't mind us, that's our NEPA. This part of the world, we lose power, and sometimes we get the power back. So we have something to tell us when we get the power back. Okay, the stand. It must be somebody in the substation trying to play with our power system. So don't worry, we'll forgive them. Okay, so this is what we have. We'll see how far we can help this plow and get back to field as fast as possible. Hopefully in a matter of some weeks, this plow will be back to the field to do what it used to do. Okay, and someone that will be working with me is my honorable engineer. He'll be doing a lot of work with me on this. Thank you. Okay, this is a published video for